Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best dashboard cleaners in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best dashboard cleaners that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the TriNova Best Cleaner for Variety Surfaces. The quick cleaning action that is effective on a wide variety of surfaces is what gives the interior Quik detailer an edge over many others. You can use it to clean a variety of surfaces such as vinyl, plastic, leather, and rubber, which means that it will be useful for almost any vehicle. With this dashboard cleaner, cleaning is all about spraying and then wiping to get rid of the dirt. Also, it is designed to offer protection from UV rays which can cause cracking and fading, and so by using this dashboard cleaner, you will be extending the life of the dashboard significantly. Because this cleaner also uses the anti-static technology, it will also repel dust and residue buildup to ensure that your dashboard remains clean for longer. Although the scent does not last long enough, it is quite pleasant and it will make you look forward to using the dashboard cleaner. Moving on at number 4. We have the Mcguires Ultimate Interior Detailer. Cleaning your vehicle's interior surface should not be a tedious process because you can do it in one easy step using Mcguires G16216. All you need to do is spray it and wipe. With this interior cleaner, you will always get a durable and non-greasy finish that will leave your dashboard and other interior surfaces looking all new. The dashboard cleaner is safe on all interior surfaces, and so besides the dashboard, it will also be handy for cleaning steering wheels, door panels and much more. Also, you will get superior UV protection when using this product to ensure you never have to worry about fading and cracking. The odor that this dashboard produces is not very pleasant, but it will only take some getting used to. At number 3, we have the Mcguires Quik Interior Detailer Cleaner. Mcguires is one of the most reputable car cleaner and other accessories manufacturer, and this has been so for many decades now. Their G13616 has been formulated to safely clean all interior surfaces, and it contains sun-blocking agents to help protect the surface from fading and cracking. The improved deeper cleaning formula will work on a variety of interior surfaces such as vinyl, leather, plastics, and rubber. And you can even use it to clean your LCD and navigation screens. This interior cleaner is ideal for fast touch-ups, and it uses a convenient trigger designed to not leave behind a greasy appearance on your dashboard. With the clean and pleasant scent, this dashboard cleaner is also great to work with and will also leave a dark and rich finish that will make your dashboard look all new. If you prefer a dashboard cleaner that provides a super glossy finish, this might not be it, but for regular cleanup jobs and for protecting your dashboard, this is perfect. At number 2, we have the CarGuys InnerClean. CarGuys InnerClean is the cheapest 16-ounce cleaner on our dashboard cleaner reviews, and so you not only get a high-quality product but also save some cash. This quick and easy-to-apply dashboard cleaner will work on all surfaces, and it is a quick detail spray that will not only clean but also condition and protect the interior. You can also use this cleaner on your LCD and navigation screens and also on other things like the seats and steering wheel. The advanced UV protection that it will provide will help prevent cracking and fading. Also, the formulation helps to restore the original factory appearance, and the advanced anti-static technology helps to repel dust and dirt to keep the interior clean for longer. While the scent is very pleasant, some users might find it a little too strong, but the good news is that it should fade within a relatively short time. And although it can stain some lightly colored surfaces, it is also easy to remove. And finally at number 1, we have the CarGuys Super Cleaner. Whether you want to clean your dashboard and other parts of the interior or a few exterior plastics, the Super Cleaner by CarGuys will be very useful. This versatility is what makes it our best overall product. It has been formulated to clean almost all kinds of surfaces from carpets and upholstery to vinyl, plastic, and canvas, which means it will be a highly useful cleaning agent to have in your car. This top-rated dashboard cleaner does not leave any residue on the dashboard, and it will also not be glossy. And it does not contain any harsh chemicals that may harm you or your vehicle. The scent is mild but still quite appealing, and it will keep your vehicle smelling nice many hours after cleaning. Also, it will come in a ready-to-use bottle and with a free cleaning towel to make it ready for immediate use. When dealing with tough stains, this dashboard cleaner might not be the most effective, but with a little patience and a little more effort you can still deal with almost any stain. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.